Hello and welcome to a simple podcast with Aditya Srivastava. This is the show for mastering all the skills that you need to make your life a success. And on this episode, have you ever struggled with yourself, questioning why it doesn't matter what people think about you? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to help you with on this week's show, where you learn why it doesn't matter what others think about you. Well, this podcast is going to be a little bit different. We'll be talking about the problems and finding the solutions to them simultaneously. Number 1. People will always find someone to talk about. Well, since the past few years, I've been seeing that people find a topic that's trending or someone or something which has recently happened and they keep talking about it day and night until they find something new and which is more interesting than the other. So you don't have to worry if people keep talking about you. And well, that can be a good sign that if people talk about you, they consider you as a member of their community or tribe. Second, your self-worth isn't defined by an approval rating. See, if you were a car, then I would have gone with the ratings, but as we all are human, so we don't need others' approvals and rating to make our life a success or make ourselves feel happy. You don't really need others to approve you because it really matters what you think about yourself. See, in a place where you are fighting your own battles, it really doesn't matter what others think about you because they don't actually know who you are and what are you going through. Well, this brings me to the third step. They don't know your journey, where you have been or what you are heading for. Well, this brings me to Elon Musk. When Elon Musk in the year 2002 decided to make a company called SpaceX, he had a goal in mind to make rockets reusable. At first, when he gave this idea to people and people were like, okay, he is just joking. People didn't believe that this is possible. And when he started accomplishing these things, they failed. Some things went wrong in the start, but people still, being people, they questioned his ability to perform and his ability to succeed. Some people even predicted that the companies will go bankrupt in few months. Well, it didn't happen. The companies were failing, but Elon Musk's passion about achieving his goals made him finish the goals which he wanted. So you can learn from Elon Musk that it really doesn't matter what people think about you because they don't know what is your vision, what is your aim, and what is your why behind doing something. 4. Trust your intuition and who you are deeply down inside. See, intuition is the ability to understand something without the need for conscious reasoning. You have to understand what is your thought process, what are your belief systems. So you have to give some time to yourself and identify these things. Once you identify these things, you really will not be affected with what people think about you and what others say about you. 5. You will never please everyone with your decisions, so don't even try. See, we do a lot of things which make some people happy, and the same thing can be bad for someone and someone might not even like that. So we cannot make everyone happy at the same time. If Apple releases a laptop, that's good for some and that's bad for some. They try to make everyone happy because they are a company, but you are not a company. You don't have to make everyone happy around you. The thing is, you have to be happy yourself. You don't need to please others. You need to please your inner self. You need to have a belief that what you're going to do is going to help you. 6. What's good for someone might not be good for you. See, if you make a decision in your life that is good for you and you have a reason why it is good for you, so you'll definitely love it and you'll have some plans to go with it in the near future. But if someone who is not thinking or who is not having that experience with that regard, it might not be as good as you think it is for them. So don't even think what others think about your plans or your ambitions or your goals. See, people don't understand your goals at first until you prove them, and you don't have to prove them in the starting. If you believe in your goals and if you believe in what you're doing, they'll be proved wrong in the near future. 7. Because taking the high road or the less traveled road is always a better choice. See, if someone says that you are not capable of doing something or the thing which you are running behind will surely fail, so that's okay. Well, it's important that we do things that have never been done before. We have people like Bill Gates, Elon Musk, Steve Jobs, Simon Sinek, and many more who had accomplished things which were thought of never being done. So you have that capability and you have that choice to be, and you have the choice to do the same things or to do new things that can collaborate and that can help other build a better future. 8. Because you shouldn't need other people to validate you. Well, that's similar to the first point, that you don't need others to rate you. And you don't actually need someone to say that, okay, that's a good thing, okay, I'll approve you or I validate you. You don't need it. Even if someone doesn't like you, what at most will happen? That day you won't be a part of that friend circle or you won't be a member of that team. Well, that's okay. 9. Because you have no obligation to hold on to anything that doesn't serve you. Well, see, it really doesn't matter what other things about you, and the more time we spend on answering the people who question our abilities, or the time when we answer our critics, we are wasting our energy. Rather than that, you can put your energy into doing something great rather than just fighting for nothing. Well, see, rather than answering the critics around you, if you spend your time doing something great, well, that would be really beneficial, not just for you, but for your future and your goals. Now, coming to the bonus. See, even if someone believes in you, in your capabilities, in your strength to achieve something or to master a skill set, it really doesn't matter, because what boils down to this is your actions. If I believe that I'll be able to do a certain thing, then I'll be able to do it. But it really doesn't matter what others think about me, because if others are like, yeah, I believe and I know that you can do it, and I don't even stand up to do something, so that's not going to work. So it really boils down to what you think and what is your belief. Well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this podcast helped you improve your life, even if it's by a small percentage. Don't forget to apply all these tips and tricks which I mentioned in this podcast for obtaining higher results, and you are on your way to become the best version of yourself. If you like this podcast, then don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more. If you dislike me, tell me in the comments down below what went wrong, and I'll surely improve it in the next podcast. Thanks for watching. Keep improving.